This decision manifests the impunity with which the administration has taken the rule of law, and in particular matters to deal with justice and the judiciary. We therefore want to call upon the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya not to include the 24 advocates in the role of senior counsel, because they're not senior counsel. The Attorney General himself never sat in the meetings for the conferment, yet is required to sit there mandatorily. The two of our members who had been seconded to that conferment committee did not sit throughout the proceedings of that conferment committee. Conferment for these 24 advocates, the president of the Law Society did not sit because he was disqualified on account of the fact that he had also applied to be a senior counsel. That's a fundamental mistake. Number two, out of the two elected representatives of the Law Society, it transpired that one had not even met the practice year threshold to be elected. We have so many qualifying applicants who are not considered, but others who are alleged to be not so qualified were considered. Again, there is that issue of impartiality. This conferment committee was dominated by 3 judges. Now, these 3 judges, we have evidence that they are not in good terms with the majority of the applicants.